Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the noise cancellation of your Libratone Q Adapt headphones. So we got two methods to do this. First of all, we can use this button and simply adjust the noise cancellation and the ambient sound. And also we can open this application, select our headphones, and here with the slider we can adjust the noise cancellation. We can set it to the maximum, medium or low, and also we can go to the ambient sound. With the button it looks like that. Take a look. You have to click on it once. Let me just mute the sound. And with the button it looks like that. You just click on it once and you can simply adjust the noise cancellation and the ambient sound. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.